my name is Gazia and welcome to our channel News Moment. Today is Friday again and we are going to present Moments Friday, which means something special like poems and care in winters. So stay connected with us. All of you may share your experience and views with us on our WhatsApp numbers 9563830285, 86176594448, 700-196-7279, 90-640-82784. Play smart, play epic with PSJ TVS Asansol. For more details, please call 8695607709 and our toll-free number 18001233 99999. A report by Rohit Mohanka from Durgapur. About 2 hours on Delhi-Kolkata bound railway line, the train stopped running. A few days ago, a group of elephants crossed the Damodar river from Bankura and entered Ausgram through Golsi in East Bardhaman. For the last 7 days, the elephant herd has been carrying out violence in Ausgram area. The forest officers had to work hard to send the elephants back to the forest Bankura. But it was not possible to move the elephant herd from the forest area of Ausgram. On Wednesday evening, the East Bardhaman District Administration held a meeting with the Forest Department and local Panchayat members. While crossing the railway line between Mankar and Paraj station, 44 out of 66 elephants crossed the line towards Golsi, but elephants stayed towards Ausgram. As a result, train services on the Kolkata-Delhi line were disrupted from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Many passengers trains stopped at Paraj, Mankar and Khana junction. Later, at 8 o'clock in the night, several trains left for their destination. According to the latest information received from the Forest Department, they were preparing in advance for the elephant herd to leave for Bankura today. That is why the train services stopped for about 2 hours from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. When the elephants are crossing the railway line, train traffic is normal after 8 p.m. Physiotherapy clinic for male and female at Sripalli GK Roy Sarani, Rupam Building, Asansol, near Upendranath High School. We are presenting a report by our working editor Vikas Prasad from Purulia. The villagers allege corruption in the name of correcting land records. On this day, the residents of Raghapur Gram Panchayat came to the land department of Purulia number 2 block and protested. Allegedly, in the name of amendment in the land records, leases are being given to the original landowners in the name of others. The land department and the land mafia are involved in this corruption. In protest against this, villagers of Raghapur area reached the land office of Purulia number 2 block with banner, posters and started protesting. He demanded that while amending the land records, they should go to the villages and check the documents of the actual landowners. However, the officials of the land department assured to take immediate action after investing the allegation of the villagers and report the matter to the higher authorities.
দিয়ে একাই ঠিক আছে কোনো সই নাই আমাকে না জানায় না কোনো জানায় জমি বিকে দিল এবং 86 ডিসমিল প্লট কিন্তু 20 কাটা বিকেছে 20 কাটা দালালদের নামে উঠে গেছে বাকি আমাদের জমিটা আমাদের নামে কোনো নাই সব ছিড়া অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করলাম সব ছিড়া এটাই এটা মনে হচ্ছে পোশাক করছে এনারা পোশাক করছে আর আমাদের কাগজ আছে তবু নাই, আসছি সব ছিঁড়া। 9 নম্বর ফর্ম করলাম, ইয়াতে করলাম, কোনো নাই। সব ছিঁড়া। ওই আসতেই থাকি আর যাইতেই থাকি, আমাদের কোথায় পয়সা পাবো অত? আমরা তো লিতন করে খাচ্ছি, 5 বিঘে খাচ্ছি, কোথায় পয়সা পাবো? ওই 50 টাকা।
জমিতে কি লুট চলছে? লুট বলে
হ্যাঁ, লুট একদম, লুটে নিচ্ছে দালাল, লুটে নিচ্ছে একদম। আমি আপনাকে সব দেখাই দিব, ডকুমেন্টস দেখাই দিব।
অন্যের নামে
হ্যাঁ, একদম 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 ঠিক বলছেন, একদম বিএলআর অফিসার একদম লুটে নিচ্ছে। এটাই আপত্তি। আপনি ফিল্ডে চলুন, আমাদের আমি দেখাই দিব যে এটা আমার জমি, এটা আমার কাগজ দেখাই দিব সমস্ত। আমার ওদের কাছে ছিঁড়া আছে, আমাদের কাছে গোটা আছে। আমরা দেখাই দিব যে এটা আমার জমি, এটা আমি চাষ করছি। আজ পূর্বপুরুষরা 3 পুরুষরা চাষ করছি, ওইটা দেখাই দিব আপনাকে। আপনাকে কাগজও দেখাই দিব আমি।
কিন্তু এলার করতে গেলে
না, এলার করতে গেলে কোনো নাই। ওই দালালের নামে ওই প্লটটাই বিক্রি করলাম, ওদের নামে সুন্দর 20 কাটা উঠে গেল। আর বাকি প্লটটা কই? আমাদের পড়ে রয়ে গেল, উঠছেই নেই। আমার দিনেশ কৈবর্তন নাম, রাঘবপুর।
এবারে বিক্রি করছে, তখন বলছে আমাদের ঘরটা ঠিকই আছে, দলিল পর্চা সব হয়ে যাচ্ছে। এবার এখান থেকে পর্চা নিয়ে যাচ্ছে অন্য লোক, তখন দিয়ে দিচ্ছে। এবারে কি হিসাবে হবে? কিভাবে হচ্ছে তাহলে? কেন দিবে আমাদের জিনিসটা অন্য লোককে? বাড়ির লোককে তো বলতে হবে, কেন দিব দলিল পর্চা গেল?
মানে অন্যের নামে রেকর্ড,
অন্য নামে রেকর্ড করে নিচ্ছে। এবার নিজের জমি, নিজের কিছুই নাই।
এখন আমার খতিয়ে দেখতে হবে। এখন অতটা আমরা কেস টু কেস তো দেখা হয়নি। ওনারা বলছে আমরা খতিয়ে দেখবো কেস টু কেস কি আছে।
এত লোক কিভাবে বিক্ষোভ দেখাতে, মানে একজন তো নয়।
ওনাদের মূলত ডিমান্ড ছিল, ডেপুটেশনই দিতে এসছেন ওনারা। ওনাদের মূলত ডিমান্ড হচ্ছে যেটা, যে ওই ছেঁড়া এখানে অনেক চন্ড আছে, তো সেইগুলো হচ্ছে মাঠে গিয়ে আমিন বা অন্য স্টাফ দিয়ে সরজমিনে তদন্ত করে জমিটা রেকর্ড করার, এটাই ওনাদের মূলত ডিমান্ড ছিল।
আপনারা এখন কি ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছেন?
আমরা এখন হায়ার অথরিটিকে এটাকে জানাবো যে এনাদের ডিমান্ডটা ঠিক। আমাদের তো সেই রকম সাফিসিয়েন্ট স্টাফ কিছু নেই।
সংশোধন ক্ষেত্রে
আর সংশোধনের ক্ষেত্রে ওটা পর্যায়ক্রমে চলবে, আমরা অ্যাপ্লিকেশনের ভিত্তিতে চলবে।
যেটা অভিযোগ করছে যে এখানকার যারা কর্মী, তারা এই কাজের সাথে যুক্ত রয়েছে, এই জমি মাফিয়াদের সাথে যোগ সাজস করে তারা এই কাজগুলো করছে।
না, সেই
এটা কি তদন্ত করবেন?
সেরকম কোনো তথ্য তো আমাদের কাছে নেই, বলে তো
তারা অভিযোগ, তাই তো
অভিযোগ করতে পারে, সেটাকে আমরা খতিয়ে দেখবো।
তদন্ত করবেন?
খতিয়ে দেখবো, অবশ্যই দেখবো।
ঠিক। আপনার নাম?
আমার মনোজ মন্ডল।
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. Details are provided in the picture. For more details, please contact the given number 9932864067 or 81116183 Now we are presenting some facts about Manu Bhandari, one of the main architects of the Nai Kahani movement that dominated Hindi literature in a newly independent India. Manu Bhandari's novel Aapka Banti, Mahabhoj and stories such as Ek Plate Sailab, Teen Nigahon Ki Ek Tasveer, Trishanku and Aankhon Dekha Jhoot spoke about a new India that was dealing with the emerging middle class and individualism. Bhandari, on whose stories popular films Rajnigandha 1974 and Swami 1977 were based, passed away on Monday 15th November in Gurugram. She was 90. She is survived by her daughter Rachna Yadav. Born in Madhya Pradesh in 1931, Bhandari grew up in a literary household in Ajmer. Her father, Sukhsampat Rai, was a freedom fighter who put together one of the first English to Hindi and English to Marathi dictionaries. Bhandari penned her first individual literary work in 1957, the story Main Haar Gayi. Earlier, she had worked on a novel, Ek Inch Muskaan, with her husband, fellow writer Rajendra Yadav. What one needs to remember is that Manu Bhandari gave the Hindi literary world heroines that were pragmatic and whole at the same time. They made their own decisions and they were also working women. Bhandari studied at Calcutta University and went on to get a master's degree in Hindi literature from Banaras Hindu University. She started her career as a Hindu teacher at Kolkata Baligunj Shiksha Sadan, and later taught Hindi literature at Miranda House, Delhi University till 1991. For new writers to have access to someone like her at such an early age was a very big thing. She was very humble and approachable and would notice almost everything about everyone. Right from the very shut and would be wearing, Bhandari was married to editor Rajendra Yadav, a literary stalwart himself, but he stood out on her own. In her introduction of the best of Manu Bhandari, The Wise Woman and Other Stories, 2021, Roli Books, translated from Hindi by Viday Paradhan, writer Namita Gokhale says she was never flattened into the shadows by her husband's fame and charisma, but resolutely pursued her own substantial writing career. The literary around her was alive with excitement. Writers like Nirmal Varman, Mohan Rakesh, Kamleshwar, Krishna Sopti, Bisham Sahani, Usha Premwada, and of course she herself with her husband Rajendra Yadav were determinedly reinterpreting the narratives of the times. While Bhandari is often remembered for her strong heroines, her literary traversed the personal and the political. The short story Yahi Sach Hai dealt with a woman torn between two lovers. The novel Aapka Banti captured the taller, diverse take upon a child, while Mahabhoj spoke about the nexus of politics and crime and was based on the Belchi massacre. Manu Bhandari was a good writer. I will not slot her as a feminist writer alone. She was married to another writer, Rajendra Yadav, who was also a demanding and at times a difficult husband. A talented couple who both had different literary styles. She was a lot more successful and her work was also disseminated a lot more through different mediums like films, said author and journalist Mrinal Pandey. I knew her as an affectionate elder who encouraged me not just as a woman but as a writer. She was also very unsparing of fools. To my mind, she was a very gentle and kind soul, and yet her work was very hard-hitting. Look at Mahabhoj, how she spoke about a new India middle class. Now we are presenting some care and tips about winter. Winter skin care and summer skin care remedies are poles apart. The products that work for summer certainly don't do the tricks in winter, and how you use your products too is very different. Here are the top swaps you need to introduce in your beauty remedies for the cold season. Utilize lukewarm water when the temperature drops. It's very tempting to take a hot shower. However, if you care about your skin, you should avoid them. Instead, shower and wash your face with lukewarm water. Hot shower quickly dry your skin, and if you don't moisturize it right away, your skin can develop cracks and winter eczema. Keep hydrated. In the winter, whether inside or outside, the air is drier. As a result, water evaporates quickly from your body. So you must keep your skin hydrated. You can also control the humidity in your home by installing a humidifier. This will undoubtedly keep your skin happy. Choose skincare products carefully. What makes your skin happy in the summer can make it sad in the winter. As a result, you should adjust your skincare products accordingly. Using gentle skincare products is the key to healthy, glowing winter skin. To avoid stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier, use cleanser that contain moisturizers. If you have acne or breakouts, use ceramides, hyaluronic acid, hydration serums and glycerin containing products to keep repair your skin's moisture barrier. Avoid exfoliating very regularly. Exfoliating the skin aids in the removal of dead cells. You must exercise cautions during the winter months because your skin's barrier is already compromised due to the dry and cold weather. Exfoliation your skin once a week is sufficient. This aids is skin regeneration and product absorption. You should also exfoliate depending on your skin type. Exfoliate your skin lightly if you have very dry skin. Once a week is sufficient if you have a combination or oily skin. Moisturize often, especially your hands. The pores and skin in your palms have fewer oil glands compared to the pores and skins on every other body components. That's why moisture escapes from your hands speedily, making them prone to cracks and itchiness. Follow a moisturizer before you leave home. Take care of your feet. Pick out glycerin primarily based creams and petroleum jelly to moisturize your feet. Additionally, make sure you exfoliate the pores and skin for your feet every so often in order that it could soak up the moisturizer without problem. Maintain a daily skincare routine. It does not have to be fancy. Right here is a very simple and easy skincare recurring that all of us can complete with the preserve their skin happy although the winter. Cleanse your skin once or twice a day, ideally within the morning and earlier than going to bed. After washing your face in the morning, follow a light day by day moisturizer to lock the moisture in. Use a heavy moisturizer or overnight cream at night. This should be executed on damp pores and skin due to the fact simply washed pores and skin absorbs moisture better. Wear sunscreen even on cloudy winter day. Applying sunscreen in the harsh winter weather is just important as it is the summer. Don't be fooled by darker, dry winter days either. The rays from the sun can penetrate clouds and cause damage. Apply a moisturizing broad spectrum sunscreen with the SPF of 15 or higher to all exposed areas of your body before going outside. Balm for your lips rather than using lip colors that take away your lips' natural beauty. Keep your pout pretty with moisturizing lip balms that come in color. Use serum for hydration. Serum are thinner in consistency and contain hyaluronic acid, making them one of the best winter skincare products. It does not give up easily and adheres to the surface of your skin to provide deep and long-lasting hydration. It is also anti-aging and should be applied before moisturizer. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching classes for medical NEET AIMS entrance exams by D.K. Lal Sir. Biology classes, zoology and botany. Regular classes for 11 and 12 BSc. And for more information, please contact 98328 24975. Our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee launched Duare Ration scheme on Tuesday. On this occasion, he announced big concession for ration dealers. The Chief Minister said that 10 crore people of the state would get the benefits of ration scheme. Ration dealers will now go to the locality and give ration to the people. People will not have to come to the ration shop like the government. Duare Ration will increase the pride of the state in the country. The scheme will be the model scheme for the country. Along with this, about 42,000 people will also get employment under this scheme. Will give ration to the house of that area. The dealers will have to inform the people of the area in advance about the arrival of the van. Apart from this, regarding the shortage of employees in ration shops, Mamata suggested that now every dealers will appoint 2 employees whose salary will be 10,000 rupees. Dealers will give 50% of the salary while the state government will give 50%. In this way, 42,000 people will also get employment. Mamta said that the amount deposited for getting ration dealership should be reduced from 1 lakh to 50,000. Along with this, women should also get ration dealership so that women also get employment. Told the ration dealers that there should not be any problem in carrying ration through them. Food is needed by all, so if a customer is not able to come on a certain day, then he goes to another place on the next day. Then he should get ration. Mamata Banerjee appealed to all the dealers to ensure that there should be no lapse in this process. Mamata also mentioned about the food partner scheme and said that today everyone is getting free food. Behind this is the food partner scheme. All the ration dealers of the state and the employees working in them have a hand in making the Dware Ration a success. Mamata also congratulated the departmental officers regarding this and said the Bengal will show the way to the country in the coming times. Biofina. Drink healthy and stay healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Always wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizers. Avoid contact with others. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Issued in public interest by Biofina. For trade inquiry, please contact our toll-free number 1800-258-7060. I seem to have loved you in numberless forms, numberless times, in life after life, in age after age, forever. My spellbound heart has made and remade the necklace of songs that you take as a gift, wear round. Your neck is your many forms, in life after life, in age after age, forever. Whenever I heard old chronicles of love, its age-old pain, its ancient tale of being apart or together, as I stare on and on into the past, in the end you emerge, glad in the light of a pole star, piercing the darkness of time. You become an image of what is remembered forever. At last, we present our SMS of the moment. Whenever this world makes you feel lonely and tired, my arms will open to comfort you, love you, and make you feel safe. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification.